Welcome to Prep Edge USA. Total questions, 30. You have 10 seconds for each question. You may pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Are you ready? Let's begin.
What comes next? 2, 4, 8, 16. A. C. 32. Which is the odd one out? D. Carrot. If 1 equals 5, 2 equals 25, 3 equals 325, then 4 equals. B. 4,325. Which US state is not part of the mainland? C. Hawaii. What shape has no corners? D. Circle. What is 50% of 2 plus 2? C. 3, 6, 9, mark 15. C. 12. What is heavier? C. Same. What is the code for dog? A equals 1. A. 4,157. How many months have 28 days? B. 12. Complete the series. 5, 10, 20, 40. D. 80. Which is different? C. Kilogram. Which number is odd? B. 31. C for APC rearranged becomes B. Pacific. A farmer has 17 sheep, all but 9 run away. How many left? C. 9.